Hey guys, today I'm cooking chaya. It is a tree spinach, or they call it a tree spinach. You eat it like how you would spinach, but cooking, unlike regular spinach where you could eat it raw, this one you have to cook it. What I did was use my rice cooker, steam cook it basically. Fully cook, because I know that a lot of people or places they said you boil it for 10 minutes minimum, but with my rice cooker, steam cooker, it's been cooking for about 20 minutes. So that is fully done. You can see it looks just like spinach. And I also am cooking the stems, the stem tips. Here is my stem tips. Yeah, they're cooking away. I'm gonna boil these for about 15 minutes, and you eat it like you would say asparagus. You're gonna have to peel the outer lining, the I guess bark or something, and then you could eat it like you would asparagus.